And the sounds of Sodor. One day, Thomas was to find the man, and then he picked him up. Hello, Thomas, my friend. Thomas wasn't pleased to see Gordon. Where are you going, Thomas? Somewhere. Hello, Thomas, my friend. Thomas wasn't pleased to see Mavis. What are you doing here, Mavis? The quarry's closed. Goodbye. Wait, Mavis said the quarry was closed. And James was hiding and was worried. Hello, Thomas. Thomas wasn't pleased to see James. What are you doing here, James? The quarry's closed. Stop whistling, James. Thomas, look out! Then the man lost his papers. Oh no. Wait, sir, how about me and my friends can help? Will you help me, James? Of course I can, Thomas. I lost the man's tunes. Will you help me, Percy? Of course I will, Thomas. And Emily went. Will you help me, Emily? Of course, Thomas. Will you help me, Mavis? Of course, Thomas. And what about you, Gordon? Can you help us? Sure, Thomas. And they had the great big music.